Let's talk about Canva as a sort of DIY platform. I actually suggest that people use Canva. I use it a lot. I kind of love it. Basically takes Photoshop and makes it easier for the common man or woman. What are your thoughts on Canva?
I mean, I think Canva's great. I think it serves a purpose, but it's not a good sole purpose, like one-stop shop for what you need for marketing, and is usually operated by somebody who's not a design professional.
Right.
So they can get in there with a nice looking template and have the ability to change things around and really muck it up, you know?
And I've seen that.
Yeah, happens all the time.
And I guess I would say this is that some people have a sort of aesthetic eye or design eye where they can tell the difference between what's good, great, and terrible, and some people don't. And so I think one thing, if you're going to use Canva, in my opinion, would be to find someone that has that eye for design. But no one's going to have as good of an eye for design as someone who does it for a living. Like, surely we can all say that sounds reasonable.